have one, try and create it now. So you navigate to pages right away. Once you navigate to pages, you click on create new page. Facebook will literally ask you for a page name, and you have to brainstorm on your page name. That your page name is your brand name or your business name. Already, if you have one, you can include it here. If you don't have one, you're starting out, you can brainstorm on what you actually want to use your Facebook page for. Let me give you some tips. Let's look at clothing. Assuming you want to open a clothing store, you can just brainstorm on a Facebook business name for clothing store. Where you can actually do that, this is one of the tips I'm giving you, is go to businessnamegenerator.com. businessnamegenerator.com. You will find how you can actually create a Facebook business name. So you just put the business and the category, the brand or whatever you want to put it there. Business name generator will help you generate a nice business name. Like, it will give you a list, so you can pick from the top 5 and run a short list and pick one. So for the purpose of this class, let's go with this example. Prince styles. All right, a category is required of you. This is where your business niche is. Are you doing a clothing business, or you own an electronic shop, or you own an electronic company, depending. So for the purpose of this class, we'll be using a clothing store. So you can put up to 3 options: clothing, apparel and clothing, and maybe look for another clothing that describes your business, right? Maybe you can leave it at that too for the moment. All right, then we move straight to, I think that's done. Move straight to that description. Your description is your about, what people will see literally when they come to your Facebook page. This is where your description appears on a desktop preview, on a mobile preview. This is where it appears. So whatever you have on your description is what people get to know you for. So welcome, let me just use a short phrase here. Welcome to Prince Styles. We sell clothing materials or apparels. Let me use apparels. Clothing apparels. Ensure you check out our catalog to see what we have in stock for you. I think that is short and brief. If you can actually work on your description perfectly, but for the course of this video, we just want to make it short, so we go straight to the point. So we are creating our Facebook business page now. Facebook will give us a prompt that our page has been created. So you can see Prince style was created. Now add images and the rest. So to do this, we go straight to pages. We have to refresh this to have access to that. So after refreshing, you can see our page here, clothing Prince styles. So let's get to branding our Facebook page now. Facebook will always come up with this prompt that you should add a WhatsApp number, or if you want a WhatsApp business number, so that your customers can relate with you. Now what we have to do here is add, first of all, we will add our profile picture. Meanwhile, we can actually get pictures from the internet, so let's just go quickly. Any picture, just you can just add any picture. I think I have some pictures here. For just the purpose of this class, it's not a normal picture that is meant for the clothing, but for your in your case, ensure you add your best profile picture where you want people, what you want people to see. Yes, so upload that to your profile. Then what next are we going to add? Once we are done adding this, we go straight to adding our go straight to adding our cover image. Yes, you add our cover image. So you choose from photos. Let's choose from photos. Whether we have options here. I think we have one recent. Do we? No. Okay, we do not have. We you add our we upload from our this thing. So this is your cover image. So choose a cover image, print styles. We also add this. We also upload this. So that should be done in some seconds. Still loading, so we just have to be patient. Like I was saying, to brainstorm for a business name, you can check that out as business name generator. Okay, so once you open this website, you have a lot of, see it here, business name generator, where you can actually generate a business name. If you do not have one, you go to business name generator and it will generate a business name for you. After you fill in the necessary information about your business, it will automatically generate names for you. It will suggest names for you can use. So going back here, we have to edit our, okay, this is just okay, so we save it. That's a nice image of me. So after saving this, we move on to the next thing, which is adding. We've added the whole thing. As you can see, our Facebook name has been added. So what we do next is create a username. Username is a name whereby people can actually search for you with that username. It's a unique name. No two persons on Facebook share the same username. So let's just create Prince Styles. Prince Styles. Prince Styles. I think that's nice. Prince Styles. I think we have to put ads. Oh shit, sorry. Okay, the Facebook says the username has already been taken. We can just add Prince Styles. Prince Styles 23. Let's see what happens. Let's check. Okay, this Facebook name, username. Like I told you, a Facebook user name, sorry, the page name is only applicable to one user. No two users share the same username. So let's get going. Our username has been created. You can see the custom URL. If you share this custom URL with anyone, you can have access directly to your Facebook page. So we are done with that. What we need to do next is set up all of this page identity. Okay, I will guide you through the process. You also have to add a button. This is very, very paramount because this button is called a call to action button. You get, where people, when they come to your page, they want to get in contact with you or they want to contact you, they can click on that button. It's either that button you put there, you are directing them to your website, or you are directing them to your WhatsApp contact, so they can interact with you. So literally that is what the button is meant for. Or you are directing them to your shop, your Facebook shop. Unfortunately, this is unavailable for people staying in Nigeria. You cannot have Facebook shop here. So literally this is how to create a Facebook page and set it up. So now we are going to show you I'm going to show you how to create and manage your advertisements, how to run a Facebook campaign. Firstly, for you to start ranking, what you have to do is invite your friends, all of your friends. Once you follow the steps here, you invite at least 10 friends to like your page. You do this, Facebook will ask you to invite at least 10 or more. You invite your friends, you provide your page identity, cover image. We have done that. So you do all of this. So next, in the next video, I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook campaign that converts potential audience into potential customers, and customers that will stay and make purchase in your store. So let's get to it. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. And lastly, if you want to see more of this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and let's get to it. Thank you.